What's up, gamers? Imagine getting stunning OLED visuals and buttery smooth gameplay on a gaming PC that doesn't cost a fortune. Sounds too good to be true? Well, today, we're making it happen. Whether you're on a tight $500 gaming PC budget or looking for a high-performance $900 gaming rig, this video will show you exactly how to build an OLED gaming setup that delivers top-tier visuals and smooth frame rates without breaking the bank. Stick around as we break down the best budget components, build the system step by step, and optimize settings for maximum gaming performance. Let's dive in. Alright, before we get into the builds, let's talk about why OLED displays are a game changer for budget gaming. And honestly guys, I don't know why everyone doesn't have one of these things. With deep blacks, insanely vibrant colors, and ultra-fast response times, OLED screens deliver an unmatched visual experience. I mean, we're talking about a level of immersion you just don't get with traditional monitors. It's like stepping into the game itself. But wait, you don't need a high-end PC to take advantage of it. That's right! You don't need to drop thousands of dollars on a top-of-the-line rig to enjoy the beauty of OLED. Whether you're working with a $500 budget build or stepping up to a $900 high-performance setup, we're going to unlock the best OLED gaming experience for your money. We're talking about squeezing every last drop of performance out of these builds, so you can experience those stunning visuals without breaking the bank. Trust me guys, once you go OLED, you'll never want to go back. So here's the challenge. Can we build two awesome gaming PCs, one for just $500 and another for $900, while still rocking an OLED display? That's exactly what we're about to do. We're going to push the limits of budget PC building and prove that you don't need to sacrifice performance for those sweet, sweet OLED visuals. We'll be picking the best budget components to get the most FPS, smooth gameplay, and insane visuals for every dollar spent. And let me tell you, it wasn't easy. We scoured the internet, compared prices, and even dug through some old parts bins to find the perfect balance of affordability and performance. But hey, that's what we do here, right? We're all about pushing the limits and finding those hidden gems that give you the best bang for your buck. So, without further ado, let's jump into the parts list. First up, let's talk displays. Because let's be real, the display is the heart of any OLED gaming setup. For those wanting the absolute best OLED gaming experience, the LG UltraGear 27 GR95 QEB is hands down one of the best 1440p 240Hz OLED monitors out there. It delivers ultra-fast 0.03 ms response times and buttery smooth gameplay that will make your jaw drop. But hey, we get it, not everyone has a bottomless budget. If you want to save some serious cash, check out a used 42 LG C2 OLED TV or a Dell 30-inch OLED monitor, both fantastic budget options around $400 to $500. You might be surprised at the deals you can find on the used market. Now let's talk PC components. For the $500 gaming PC, we're going with an AMD Ryzen 5 5600G with Vega 7 integrated graphics. This bad boy saves us money on a dedicated GPU while still delivering solid performance for esports titles and lighter games. It's all about being smart with our budget, right? For the $900 gaming PC, we're stepping things up a notch with a Ryzen 5 3600 plus GTX 1660 Super Combo. This thing is a beast for 1080p and even 1440p gaming, giving you that smooth, high frame rate experience you crave. Now it's time to put this gaming rig together. And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like the feeling of building your own PC. It's like assembling your own high-performance machine, piece by piece. First things first, carefully install the CPU into the motherboard, making sure to line up those pins just right. We don't want any bent pins, do we? Next, snap in the RAM, ensuring it's seated properly in those dim slots. And of course, no gaming PC is complete without a fast NVMe SSD for blazing fast load times. Slot that bad boy in and prepare for lightning fast boot times and game launches. Now comes the fun part, mounting the motherboard into the case. Make sure to use those standoffs to prevent any shorts, and carefully connect all the front panel connectors. Don't forget to route those cables nice and tidy for better airflow. We want this PC running cool and quiet. With everything connected, carefully connect the power supply and double check all your connections. Boom! Time to bring this baby to life. Install Windows, install your drivers, and let's get this party started. Chapter 5. Connecting the OLED display. Now comes the moment we've all been waiting for, connecting our OLED gaming monitor. This is where the magic truly happens. Carefully plug in the display cable, whether it's DisplayPort or HDMI, and make sure it's securely connected. Now fire up the PC and head into the display settings. Set the resolution to that glorious 1440p and crank that refresh rate up to its maximum potential. And just like that, you're greeted by an explosion of colors and details you've never seen before on your screen. Blacks are truly black, colors pop with incredible vibrancy, and motion is buttery smooth. It's like stepping into a whole new world of gaming immersion. Chapter 6. Performance Testing and Optimization. Alright, moment of truth, let's test this gaming PC. We're going to put these builds through their paces and see how they handle some of the most popular games out there. We ran benchmarks on games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, Cyberpunk 2077, and Valorant. And let me tell you, the results were impressive. The $500 PC holds up surprisingly well on low to medium settings, pushing a respectable 60+ FPS in esports titles like Valorant and CS2. It's proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy smooth, competitive gameplay. The $900 PC is an absolute beast, dominating at 1080p Ultra and even 1440p, delivering smooth 100+ FPS gameplay in demanding AAA games. It just goes to show that with a little extra investment, you can unlock a whole new level of gaming performance. But hey, we're not done yet. For even better performance, let's dive into the in-game settings and fine-tune those graphics options. Lowering shadows and unnecessary effects while keeping textures high will give you the best balance between performance and visuals. Chapter 7. The OLED Advantage. Now, this is where OLED flexes its power. Just look at the difference. Blacks are truly black, colors pop like never before, and motion blur is practically gone. It's like the game comes to life right before your eyes. The level of detail and clarity is simply stunning. You'll notice details you never even knew were there before. Whether you're exploring the vast open world of Cyberpunk 2077 or engaging in intense firefights in Valorant, the OLED display elevates the entire gaming experience. It's not just about the resolution or the refresh rate, it's about the way the display technology enhances the overall visual fidelity. Whether you're going budget or high-end, an OLED gaming PC setup will make your gaming experience insanely immersive. Outrow OLED Gaming Bliss on a budget, and there you have it, 2 gaming PC builds, one at $500 and another at $900. That prove you don't need to spend thousands for a premium OLED gaming experience. We've shown you that with a little creativity and some smart component choices, you can build a killer gaming rig that will blow you away without breaking the bank. So what do you think? Would you build one of these setups? Let us know in the comments section. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more budget gaming PC builds, tips, and reviews. See you in the next one.